Communicating regularly with your project stakeholders is one of the things that you do most as project managers. I would say that everyone that is concerned with your project should be tied in some way or the other into the project reporting system. Now, in terms of project management, let's consider three types of reports: routine reports, exception reports, and special reports. Now, routine reports are issued on a regular basis. These may be provided on a schedule, say weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Routine reports may also be triggered by your project milestones. Second, exception reports are reports that are oriented to decision making. For instance, these types of reports may be used if you're looking for management to decide on a particular course of action or approve a major change order on your project. The last type of report is the special report. These are reports for special cases or analysis in response to issues or opportunities that may arise during the project. For example, an evaluation of an alternative material or impact of a new government regulation on your project. The type and frequency of project reports vary from project to project or from organization to organization. But one thing is certain: project reports allow you to communicate with your project stakeholders more effectively and provide a solid foundation to make more informed decisions. What other types of project reports are you familiar with? Share your thoughts below, and thanks for watching.